Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're turning a childhood classic into something totally unexpected, a mini lawnmower made out of Rice Krispies Treats from Brite and Bubbly. It's simple, fun, and just the right mix of creativity and snack time. So stick around to see how it all comes together. You might be surprised by how easy and cute it really is. Okay, so I was looking for a fun, hands-on project that you could do with your kids or grandkids over summer break, and these Rice Krispies lawnmowers immediately caught my eye. And once I saw how simple they were to put together, I knew I had to film them. They were a blast to make and came out looking even better than expected. For the handle, I used flexible straws and trimmed them down so the proportions looked just right. I thought connecting the ends might be a little tricky, but they slid together fairly easily. I also assumed I'd need to cut holes in the top of the treat to insert the handle, but that wasn't the case. You just need gentle, firm pressure. Insert the handle straight up and down, then tilt it back slightly to give it that real mower look. For the icing, I used great value decorating tubes from Walmart. Not only were they budget friendly, but the red and green were surprisingly bold and really made the project pop. You'll also want a bit of extra icing to attach the mini Oreo wheels. Don't rely on the filling alone or they won't stick very well. One other small tip. When placing the mower on the graham cracker grass, angle it slightly so it doesn't get hidden underneath. It makes the final presentation look a lot nicer. For this review, I didn't really need to do a taste test because I knew it would be delicious, but I did one anyway. Before I took a bite, I was trying to move it around so you could see the nice green on the graham cracker, but my window lighting wasn't cooperating. But anyway, that first bite was delicious. The flavors were spot on together, and the Walmart icings tasted just as good as they looked. I'd absolutely use them again for quick, colorful projects like this. Overall, these were fun, tasty, and creative treats that everyone enjoyed. My grandsons loved them, and my wife and I did as well. I give them 10 stars not only for taste, but also for how simple and fun they were to make. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.